Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the sunny east coast of Scotland. And today we are in, actually, what's the official name of this place? Hang on, I always forget. It is Fowls Hoch. Don't know if you can see that because of the sun. Hang on, let's switch this round. Fowls Hoch, otherwise known as Crawton. Now, this is actually a nature reserve, a bird nature reserve. But at this time of year, I don't think we're going to see any birds. But I've come to see the waterfall, which may or may not have water in it today. It's very windy actually, and very cold. So sometimes the spray or the wind makes the waterfall like a spray, but that makes sense. But we'll go and have a look and see what it's like today. But I say it's a gorgeous day, but very, very cold. But there's a footpath that goes all the way along, right along the cliffside, right along to the far end, with some big drops down to the water. Now there is a footpath that goes along that way as well. I've never been that way, and I noticed there's a sign pointing, so I might go and give it a go. But I don't know where it goes. So actually, I could stay here all day and look at this, but it's so cold. Kenneth Roger, this is a drone opportunity, plenty of open space. This would be awesome for your drone. Recommend it. Right, so I've come to this kind of, it's like a quarry, down just past the waterfalls in the next bay. So I've just come down to see if there's anything down here. It's just really a little bay. There's so much more sheltered down here. So, down at the water side here, the water is lovely and clear. Oh, head rush. Got too quick there. Whew. Nice place for a picnic down here. Yeah, come down on a summer's day with your barbecue. It would be awesome. I'm going to walk along and see if I can get close to the top of the waterfall. I take it this is where it goes. but might be a bit dangerous, but there's a wee kind of path to follow, so I don't think there's any nesting birds at this time of year. Right, this looks like the top of the falls here, folks. I just need to be very careful, obviously. Right, so that's the actual top of the falls, folks. I can't get any closer. I'm a bit scared, actually. There's a wee barrier here. I've had a massive selfie stick and get right over the edge. Right, folks, I'm sitting here right beside the falls. You just can't quite get to the top, it's just too dangerous. But if you had a massive selfie stick or a drone, you can get some really good footage up here. But I'm just not going to risk it, obviously. It's just not worth it, folks. But there it is, top of the falls, or as close as we're going to get. Right, I enjoyed that. Bit of adrenaline there, so got the heart pumping. Love to get a bit closer, but I say it's just not worth it. So going up the stairs now to the next part of the walk, which is along the cliffs. And the wind's getting up again. Always uphill. Right, there seems to be a lot more birds than I thought, folks. Now, I think it's guillemots, is it maybe? They look like wee baby puffins, but I think they're guillemots and seagulls. So this must be the start of the season. So let's go up to the very top and we'll look down and see how many birds there are here. Look at all the birds, there's loads of them, thousands. Now down here is a little bench, which, if the weather's fine like today, and you were prepared with binoculars and things, you could sit and watch all the birds. Listen to the noise. So there we go, folks. There's all the guillemots, seagulls. I'm not sure. Somebody put a note down below and tell me. Oh, excuse me, my dripping nose. Oh dear. That's how cold and windy it is, folks. Yeah, put a note in my comments, please, and let me know what kind of birds are these. Because there's millions of them. Right, so here's the wee button bend just at the end of the walk, folks. I think you can go on further, but this is a nice wee place to stop. Let's hope nobody's in. So thanks for coming on my little walk today. It's been most enjoyable. Now it's only about 1 o'clock, so I think what I'm going to do is go back to the car. It's probably about another half-hour walk back. And today I've got a cheese sandwich and a flask. So we'll enjoy that and then maybe head back down to Crawton maybe, or St Cyrus on the way back. So should have brought a flask up here to enjoy this fine view.
Okay, we're back in the car and it's coffee time, folks. Now, Jag gave my coffee like -2 out of 10 the other day, so hopefully this one, that was a lot better, because today I've actually got hot water and a sachet of coffee today, so it's actually a lot better. And today's sandwich is just a plain cheese today, folks. It's a Poor House. There was nothing in the fridge, just kind of stalish kind of bread and cheese slices today, so never mind. There we go. So thanks for watching, folks. Join me again soon. I'm off the next couple of days. No plans, but no doubt I'll be out and about somewhere. So thanks everybody.